guys, it's Jen from Something Turquoise, and today is International Coffee Day. So what better way to celebrate than making ourselves some custom Starbucks cups for the bride, maid of honor, bridesmaid, or maybe just yourself. So I created this custom file that's free for everyone to use in Design Space, and I just wanted to take a quick second to walk you through how you can use this file and how you can edit it. So right now we have the backgrounds already set. You can see them over here in the layers panel. I have a forest green one that matches the Starbucks logo, and then I have a hot pink and light pink and silver, more for the wedding projects. And those, all four of these vinyls actually are going to be cut using Cricut's the new premium vinyl. It was released in the summertime, and if you haven't seen it, this is the vinyl that you need to be able to personalize cups. You can wash and get condensation on the cups, and there's no issue. The vinyl doesn't come off. So it's the premium permanent vinyl is what you're looking for. And all four of these colors come in the premium permanent vinyl that I'm using in the tutorial today. So so we've got the bases already set and designed, and they fit those plastic Starbucks cups that I'm using in the post. So what you get to edit is the names. So here we're just using regular Cricut Sans, and we've used the curve feature, which is fantastic. You can see here you just drag this little dot to create the perfect curve for your text. So that makes a design like this super, super easy. So we've got bride fuel, maid of honor fuel, bridesmaid fuel. Obviously you can click to edit this, however you'd like. We also have little stars here, and maybe the bride's name and her wedding date, maybe the maid of honor's name, maybe the bridesmaid's name, or just something a little bit silly. So when you click into my Design Space canvas, you're going to see all of these things. Oops, undo. You're going to see all of these things are here for you to edit and change as you need. Again, we're just using the Cricut Sans font, so you don't need a special font or anything, or you can update the font and use whatever font you'd like. So the biggest step here is we're going to have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 5 slice actions here. So I want this silver sticker to cut all as one piece. Select the text here and the background. And unfortunately we have to do this in pieces, but we're going to hit slice. And what that does is it slices the text out from the circle. Now it also sends the circle to the front for some reason, so I'm going to do arrange and move to the back so we can see the other pieces that we need to slice out still. I'm going to go through and I'm going to do that to this font and the back again. Slice. Now we just delete the pieces that we don't want. Again, arrange, move to back, and now we see the stars. Unfortunately, it's the same thing. You have to do it one at a time. And now the stars are cut out. Arrange, move to back, and oops, undo. Slice. I love this slicing tool. It's absolutely fantastic. If you haven't really used it. And slice. Okay. So now, as you can see, if I move it around, you can see the lines of the canvas behind. So now this whole piece is all one solid piece. It will cut as one solid sticker, and we can transfer it to the cups as one solid sticker. So I'm going to go through and do the rest of these so that we can make them as those solid stickers. And then we're going to let our Cricut work its magic. So I hope you have fun with this file. Just remember, it's set up so that you can edit the text and make it say whatever you want, and the only real step is that after you've got it edited and positioned, you just have to slice everything out. So that's all, and happy crafting!